Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. Please do take some time and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create this easy, peachy, rose gold, soft, glam eye makeup look. All the products that I've used for this tutorial will be mentioned in the description box below as always. And you need not use the same colors that I have used. You can use any colors of your choice. And this is the look, and let's get started. To begin with, I will prime my lids with this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'll blend it well. And I'll set this concealer so that it doesn't crease with Colourpop setting powder in translucent using dabbing motion. And for this look, I'll be using NYX Sugar Trip Squad palette and this beautiful peachy coral shade. I'll use a cello tape or tape, whatever you call it, so that I get a crisp liner. And with the help of that beautiful coral shade, I will blend it in my crease area so that I get a beautiful transition color. I'll be taking this color with an angled brush and I'll create a new crease area because I have hooded eyes. So carefully I'm creating a new crease and darkening it so that I have that liner kind of a look. Now with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to blend in both the colors in so that I get a seamless transition of colors. I'm going to use a clean blending brush and then blend all over again. I'll be using the darker shade again to create that fake crease. So we are going to do this a couple of times so that we are happy with the way it looks. So I'm just sharpening those edges, and with the LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, I'm going to do a cut crease. Once you're done, set your concealer with some loose powder, and I'll be using the same peachy coral shade once again and working on my outer V and my inner 1/3 part of my eye. Once that's done blending, I'll be sharpening that new crease with the same darker shade. For that halo part of my eye, I'll be using Stila's Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten. It's a beautiful shade of rose gold, and I will apply that and blend it with the peachy coral shade like this so that it looks seamless and well blended. Into my brows, so I'll be using Sugar's Brow Definer in Cherry Brown, and I'll be just filling the sparse areas of my brows. For the highlight, I'll be using the Balm's Merry Luminizer on my brow bone area, and once that's done, I'm going to blend it well and use Wet n Wild's concealer in Tony to cover my dark circles, and I'll blend it with a beauty blender and then go on it with some loose powder to set that concealer in. But my concealer creased. Can you see that? That's because I applied eye gel and immediately went over with the concealer, so don't do that mistake. I'll be using Wet n Wild's color liner in my lower lash line, and then I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'll be using Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara in the shade black, and I'm going to go over with that mascara because we are not going to apply any liner for this look. And this is the final look, guys, minus the creasing. I'm sorry for that. And soft glam, easy soft glam, peachy rose gold eye makeup look, perfect for any occasion. If you enjoy watching this tutorial, then please don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. and do check my YouTube channel for more eye makeup and other videos. Don't forget to subscribe once again. Until next time, bye, take care.